What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna for those of you who are new, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the new BH Cosmetics holiday palette, and I'm going to do this full tutorial. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Here is what the palette looks like. It's so fun and so festive with the red Christmas sweater vibes. I love it. It has 30 beautiful eyeshadows in it. There are so many different finishes, from glitter to matte to shimmer. There's jewel tones, neutral tones. It has something for everyone. It retails for $29, but I got this baby at Ulta on sale, and I do believe it's still on sale. I will post a link down below if you are interested in shopping this palette. And here are all the swatches. I can never get these placed just right on my arm to show you, but hopefully that's good enough so you can kind of see what they look like. They're all very pigmented. All of them swatched really nice. Now, when I first looked at this palette, this red color was just calling my name. I wanted to do a look with this, but I had seen so many of those looks already, so I decided to go with this more grungy holiday vibe. I saw these two beautiful, talented women on Instagram, and they are the inspiration for this grungy look. I just thought it was super cool, and I knew it would be so easy for you guys to recreate. Before we get into the tutorial, subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button down below and become a part of my beauty YouTube family. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Now, let's get into it. To start off, I'm going in with this concealer from Makeup Revolution as my primer. And I don't have a primer currently, so I'm just going to go in with this one. I love how bright it is. I'm going to go in with this shade called Meringue and take it all the way to the front and all the way back. Using Misbehave. So taking Misbehave, I'm just going to throw that into the crease. Then I'm going to go in with this Yuletide shade right here. Throw that in the crease as well. Now I'm going to take an eyeliner. This is from LA Girl, and I'm just going to messily throw that on the lid. Then I'm going to take a brown eyeliner and messily throw that in the lid also. Really getting to the bottom of the lash line, like so. Then taking a small Real Techniques brush. This one is called the Instapop Crease Brush, and I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Coal. It's the only black shade in the palette, and I'm just going to set that. Then I'm going to take the shade Hot Cocoa, which is a very dark color as well. It's just more brown. Just kind of messily put that in there as well. Now with that same brown eyeliner, I'm going to just line underneath the lash line and blend it out with my finger, and then go over that with the brown shade Hot Cocoa. Blend out the bottom edge with Yuletide. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this glitter glue from NYX Cosmetics. I'm just going to take the tiniest amount, like that much, because you really don't need a lot of this. Just going to dab that in the center, and then go in to Jingle Bells, the glitter shade from the palette, and just kind of dab that into the center. That's basically it. I'm just gonna add some eyeliner and lashes at the end of this. So yeah. For primer, I'm gonna go in with the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. Now for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my favorite CoverFx Natural Finish in the shade N40. And I'm taking a Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge. I'm just gonna dab that all over. For contour, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. And this is in the shade F13. Just blend it out. So now I'm gonna go in using the Boing Cakeless Concealer from Benefit Cosmetics. This is in the shade 4. gonna blend out the concealer and the highlight using the sponge. Now I'm going to set the under eye using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now for the face, I'm going to use the Alamar Cosmetics bronzing palette, and this is in the shade medium. I'm going to go in with the middle shade, the lightest shade, just kind of go in downward strokes, and then pat along the perimeter of the face. And then I'll take the darker shade for underneath the jawline. Seeing these lips is driving me crazy, so I'm going to go in with some lip liner. This is Nighthawk from Urban Decay. Then I'm going to fill it in with this lipstick from Elf Cosmetics. It's in the shade Cream. I think I'm going to go in using the Elf Primer Infused Blush, and this is in the shade Always Earthy. I want a little more of a pop, so I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. This is in the shade Peachy Love, and I'm going to take the brightest shade over here. So since we got gold on the eyes, I feel like the highlight needs to go with that vibe. This is MAC's Fix Plus Radiance. Then I'm going to go in using the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. This is in the shade Molten Gold. Ooh, yes. Yes, highlights. And I need a pencil brush to be more precise. I'm going to highlight my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. So I need to grunge that back up again and add some little glitter there. We'll be good to go. Here is the finished look. What do you guys think? I added my lashes, which are the Eyelure Opulent lashes. Then I threw on some lip gloss. I did the Bare Minerals Totally lip gloss, which is one of my favorite of all time. I also used some of the MAC Please Me lip gloss. I've had this forever. I probably need to throw it away. It's kind of old. I don't even know if they still make that color. But that's what I got on the lips here. I love this palette, so you definitely need to pick this up for yourself, or if you're still looking for a gift for that special someone who loves makeup, then get them this. It is really good. It's such good quality, like I'm blown away. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, be a part of my beauty YouTube family, hit the thumbs up button, and follow me over on Instagram at Anna Hudgens Beauty. And have a wonderful holiday. I will see you guys in the next video.